How to change your password on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change our password on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing the password cannot be done from the app. Whether you're using Android or iPhone does not matter. You have to come to your browser regardless. So come to spotify.com. Now, for those users who don't know their password and you want to reset it, just wait a moment. But for those users who are logged in and still want to change the password, tap on the gear icon here. Then simply go to view account option here, right? Then when you go to view account, just from here you can simply go to the option called change password. When you go to change password, you can enter your current password first, then you can enter the new password, repeat the new password and tap on the set new password option. This is for those users who remembers their current password. Now for the users who does not remember the current password, first of all let me just log out. So let's say that you are signed out here over here, and even if you are signed out, it doesn't actually matter because you have to tap on the forgot password option. So here you tap on it, go to the login option, and here instead whenever you're on the login option, tap on the forgot your password option. Then it will send a verification code or a link to your email address. So just enter your email address and tap on send link. Now you just have to verify the link that is sent over there. So you can try to check your email. If you receive the email, most likely you will receive the email here that you get from Spotify to reset your password. Then you can tap on reset your password button. It will take you to the page where you can choose a new password without having to remember your current password. So this is for those users who wants to reset because they don't remember. So I hope that this video gave you a brief comprehension as to how you can change your password on Spotify. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also comment down below, and thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.